cafe was due to open 2 days after the lockdown was announced, and so everything was just a big stop. And then I sat there and I thought, you know, I'm blessed that I can have a brand new business that isn't open yet, and I can change the business model and all of this. And then I thought, what is the need? And there were lots of people that had their families over here, their elderly parents over here, and they couldn't get to them. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try and find someone who can help me get through all the red tape, so to speak, type of stuff. And I called the generator, and I asked them, hey, this is what I want to do. I want to get food out to elderly people. How am I going to do it? I didn't have an idea. I didn't know how I was going to do it. I had no money. My shop wasn't open. It wasn't ready. And then I said, but I need to do it. So can you just tell me how to do it? And then all of a sudden, in about a week, we were up and running. And it was just one after the other, steps. And then here I am, 400 lunches, fresh lunches made, going out to elderly people who need it.
Yeah, it would be wonderful to be able to continue this service. We have a wide reach of families. This is only touching just some of the families. There are much more than what is in front of us in terms of our work, so we would hope that this would be able to reach a wider part of the Pacific communities, because yeah, there's a lot of people who are staying in their homes, they're not coming out, and we've got to find a way to reach them because they need the help too.
I'm blessed enough to work with a team of fantastic people. I work with Tammy Portini and June, who are part of the National Generator team, and together with Vakatatua and Whaoulu and Emerge Aotearoa, we've been delivering the generator throughout New Zealand. It was a no-brainer for us. It was a second blessing, is that Moa Lunches had an idea about delivering meals for those that are most vulnerable in our communities. Vakatatua and Emerge both know firsthand how vulnerable and how exposed a number of our people are, especially after the COVID-19. So what we've done is we've worked together with Moa Lunches. We've also brought in Peter, who is also one of our Generites. He has a courier business, and together with another caterer, we're going to be bringing meals to the most vulnerable within Auckland, within the Greater Auckland region. Also, big high five to Foundation North, who have helped us fund, and the Barley Brothers, who are providing us with free vegetables so that we can extend our reach. Thank you to all of you.